Hi, it's Dan here from Pocket Language Trainer with your one-point lesson. Do you know how to use adverbs of frequency? Here is an example for the adverb always.
I always brush my teeth every morning.
Here is an example for usually.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Here is an example for sometimes.
I sometimes go to a movie.
Now let's practice. Please repeat without the audio prompt. The example for always. The example for usually. The example for sometimes. Now let's practice without the audio and written prompt. The example for always. The example for usually. The example for sometimes. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and rate our video. Thanks, it's Dan here from Pocket Language Trainer. See you soon.